Are you ready to make a super cute Santa mitten wall hanging? We're seeing them all over the internet. Let's make one. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, gang, we have some pot holders from Dollar Tree and a duster. We're going to, I guess it's thirds. We're going to fold that duster and we're going to put it into our pot holder. Is it a pot holder? Oven mitt. No, it's an oven mitt. Sorry. And then we're going to just pull down the oven mitt and start gluing the oven mitt to the duster. Okay, perfect. And we're going to go all the way around. I only used one duster because it's so puffy that you'll see it doesn't, the other one, it's just a waste to use it. So all the way around. Easy peasy. I kind of like put my hand in there just to kind of move the duster so that it's not as folded, so it adheres to the oven mitt. Then once that's fully dry, make sure it's really dry, you're going to fold it over. And look, it looks like the cuff of Santa's mitten. What? I know. All right. And then I added a little bit more glue just to kind of glue it to the oven mitt. And then we're going to arrange the mittens how we want them so that then you can see that there's two when I put some hot glue. And I put quite a bit on, and then I glue them together. Look how cute. Stop it. I mean, stop. I'm not even a huge Santa fan, and this is making me happy. All right, so attach, glue, perfect. Next thing I have from Dollar General, this was from clearance. It was $4, and I think I paid 90% off. So I'm going to cut part of it off. I'm going to take that little tag that says Joy, remove the tag on the back. Come on, Colette. All right, so we're going to put that jute and the tassel that we had. We're going to sneak that into the little hole, and then we're going to just double knot the end so it stays in there. This is going to be rustic. I'm sure that I could have added some serious bells and whistles to this, but I wanted to keep it kind of simple. So there's that. And then we're going to put some glue on our mitten, and we're going to add our little Joy tag and tassel. Look how cute already. Stop it. We could stop right there. You totally could. But you know we can't. I can't. It's not impossible. So, all right. So what I'm doing now is I'm just finding, I'm kind of separating the fuzz of the duster, and I'm putting it's like I used a wooden bamboo, and then I'm going to put it through both sides. So see how it's going to go through both of the top so that it is more stable. It lends some stability to the whole thing. So see how I have little pieces sticking out on each side. So I take the rest of that wood bead situation, and I'm going to take some off so that we have enough jute at the end, and we're going to tie each side with the wood beads. And then I'm going to add some more wood beads to our bamboo skewer that we trimmed, and then we're going to put a little hot glue so that they don't come off, and some more hot glue on the other side. Hopefully this is making sense. If it isn't, please ask a question in the comments. I had these cute little, I think these are holly. I just glued some of those on, and that's it. Stop it. Just stop. Look at how cute. Look at how cute this is. I love it. Again, I don't normally do holiday right now, but A, my husband is so into holiday, and B, I don't know, because these are so hot on the internet, I don't know if these oven mitts are going to stick around at the Dollar Tree. So I'm showing you now so you can get them. You're welcome. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.